Hello guys, myself Meghna, an aspiring CPA candidate from Samandar, and I had to just share my experience about the 4 a.m. session that I attended with Samandar on 15th, 16th, and 17th of August. 4 a.m. Yes, you all heard it right. Trust me, waking up early used to be nightmare for me. But trust me, these sessions completely changed the game. Not only they pushed me to wake up early in the morning, but also showed me how to maintain discipline and consistency. In fact, the excitement was so real that I started waking up early at 3:30 am just to get ready for the sessions. So let me take you through this unforgettable 3-day journey. Day 1. Day 1 kicked off with the legend of Samandar Education, Mr. Shripal sir. Boss, उस दिन का energy level ही अलग था. The way he raised Josh in us, my mind was completely blown. He explained fast strategies, important tips, and practical methodologies that we can apply in our curriculum. And just when we thought it couldn't get higher, Shrenik sir, the managing director of Armani Limited, joined us. The way he explained tactics, importance of teamwork, and the famous mango theory. Day 2 picked up right where the day 1 left off, and honestly, it was lit. Shripal sir taught us how to inculcate patience, exam-centered discipline, and smart ways to solve simulations. Then came the surprise of the day. Narendra sir, the finance director of McKinsey, dream company of many, including me also. He explained AI, not just artificial intelligence, but authentic intent which can implement in our careers and studies to build our future. Boss, the way he shared his insight story, totally inspiring. ये दिन भी पूरे जोश के साथ end हुआ. Here arrives the day 3 with mixed of emotions. Joy because Shipa sir has shared audit strategies, IMPs which we can use for preparation of exam, and little bit of sadness because it was our last session. But the energy stayed high as Mrs. Jayashri Shetty, the managing director of State Street, joined us. She is an example of inspiring woman leadership. She explained how we can connect audit theories with our real life cases. ये था perfect pow peg finale, भाई लोग. And that's how the 3-day journey unfolded. It's not just a session, but it was a journey of inspiration, discipline, and real growth. Full on learning and motivation का combination था यार, perfect combo. I am genuinely grateful to Samandar for organizing this, and I will genuinely request them to organize this session on regular basis. The energy, guidance, and motivation we get was priceless. And to sum up this journey, it wasn't about the studying, but it was about transforming mindset, building discipline, and igniting passion. And I'm proud of to be part of this journey. Thank you.